bumalik na sa pinanggalingan. Ito ang mensahe na ibinigay ni Alberta Premier Danielle Smith sa mga international student na walang permanenteng status.
But our view is that if you come here as an international student and your visa expires and you don't have permanent residency, you need to go home.
Ito ang bilang o target na permanent resident admissions ng Canada para sa taong 2026, 2027 at 2028 na ayon sa isang regulated Canadian immigration consultant, mas mababa kumpara noon.
So binabaan po talaga nila yung numbers nila for permanent residency and temporary residence po.
Ang kadalasang problema raw na hinaharap ng mga estudyanteng nag-aaral sa Canada na hindi makakuha ng permanent residency status, maling impormasyon mula sa mga recruiter tungkol sa PR applications at student programs na kwalipikado para sa permanent residency.
I think the main problem is coming from there are lots of agencies in the Philippines, and even bloggers, even influencers, they would just process students. So I think it has to do with the student recruitment.
May regulated immigration consultants ang Canada, pati na rin regulated international student immigration advisors. Pero hindi raw sila regulated sa ibang bansa. Isa rin umanong problema na nakikita ng immigration consultant sa mga may hawak na ng PGWP o Postgrad Work Permit, ang hamon na makahanap ng skilled work na makatulong para madagdagan ang CRS score o points sa kanilang PR application, habang nag-e-expire na ang kanilang 3-year, one-time only postgrad work permit.
Kunwari, nakakuha sila ng job na hindi na makakatulong sa kanilang makapag-PR, pero alam mo yun, lahat nung hinahanap nila for a job, like magaan yung trabaho, malaki yung sweldo, malapit sa bahay, maganda yung schedule, mabait yung amo, mabait yung mga katrabaho. Minsan doon sila natutorno, so pag i-advise ko sila, sasabihin ko, of course at the end of the day kayo pa din yung magde-decide, pero syempre what you want to consider is what would give you a more stable immigration status in Canada.
Maaring makahanap ng isang lehitimong regulated Canadian immigration consultant sa official website college-ic.ca. Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.